Welcome, grade 12s. I'd like to look at one example on a probability density function. Remember that the probability density function is a probability model, and the area of that curve add up to 1. Okay, the special thing is if it add up to 1. Okay. So let's see what is given here. The probability density function of a random variable x is given as follows. So we have f at x, k times x. This is defined when x is between 0 and 1 or 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise outside that the density function is 0. So the first question is to find the value of k. Okay. The second one is find the probability that the observed random variable will occur if x is between 1 and 2. Okay, beautiful. So what we know is that the integral, if I look at this, guys, okay, the integral from minus infinity to positive infinity, okay, of a random variable equal to 1. Okay, the same thing. The probability of a sample space will add up to 1. Same kind of idea. Now, but what is our f at x? Our f at x, guys, is the function there. Then if I go there, this is what I get. Okay, so kx is our function, which is kx, but the domain of this function is 0 to 1. Okay, and the probability still add up to 1. Then we have to integrate. Remember, if I can integrate, my integration, guys, I can pull a constant. If I pull a constant there, this still holds, okay, still true. Then I can integrate x, which is the antiderivative, okay? To integrate x, what do? I add 1. I already have add 1. I already have 1. I add 1, which is 2. Then I divide the coefficient of x by 2, which I get half. Okay, so this is what you get. You get half. Okay, you get half x squared. Okay, so guys, what I like to do, okay, most calculus textbook will show this in line or a square like that. 0 to showing your boundaries. I still have to substitute my boundaries. Okay, what does this mean? By the theorem of fundamental theorem of calculus. So I substitute 2. Okay, guys, look at this. I substitute 2 into this expression there minus what? The expression if I substitute 0. If I do this, simplify this, we'll get 2k, and this is 0, and 2k is 1. And if you solve, you get that k equals to half. Then rewrite your probability function. If I rewrite my probability function, where k is half x, and this is between 0 and 1 or 0 otherwise. Okay. Okay.